everyone, and welcome to the third video in creating and setting up your Yanda account. So we've already created our account. We've connected our APIs with Coinbase Pro. So Yanda and Trade and Exchange now working together. You can see here I've still got the credit or the BTC value. The next important thing we need to do is to add Yanda credit, which is on this orange button here. Now I'll go into Yanda credit in more detail in another video later on, but basically Yanda credit, let's just get that away, is not a cryptocurrency. It cannot be traded on an exchange. You cannot exchange it for cash or any other crypto, and you cannot send it to any other trading exchange. The credit is literally what we use to take our fees. All right, there's no monthly subscription, and you only pay us fees on only successful trades. If you have a losing trade, you don't pay us any money. Only pay us on successful trades. And so basically, if you're trading with $1,000 in your Coinbase Pro account, for example, and you want to make 10% profits, which is $100, and so you set that trade, you get the 10%, and you make the $100, we would then take 20% of that. So we would make $20. You would make $80 for using us to automate your trading. We would have a 20%, and that $20 would come out of the credit. So if you want to make $100 credit, you need to have at least $20 of that profit in credits for Yanda to allow you to make that trade. All right. So, and like I said, I'll go into that in more detail and explain it a hell of a lot better in another video. But for now, just click this orange button and you've got two options on how you can buy some credit. So you can use PayPal, and you can select here 20, 50, 80, or $100 credit. And you can also go crypto and pay in Bitcoin, again, 20, 50, 80, or $100 credit. Now I'm going to put in a $100 credit, so I'm going to select that one. And then it's going to come here. So I'm going to choose to pay with Coinbase, and I'm going to select Bitcoin. And you've got a QR code there, so I can do that. And I'm just going to scan that, and then you'll see that it would appear shortly in my account. Okay, and we're back. And as you can see, I've now got $100 here in credit. So that technically it should allow me to, I like to think about it as 5x in your money. So $100 credit should see me through to enough of about $500 in profits. And obviously that $100 is going to go to Yanda in fees on successful trades only, remember. And once that, we get notifications to say that I either can't make a trade until I top up the account, or I just keep topping the account because I know it works. So, and that's it. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up your first trade very simply, just on one of our copying strategies that we already have pre-built for you, and we'll go over those in the next video. So hop on to the next one, and I'll see you there.